Welcome to 7 creative recipes using leftover coleslaw. In this video, we'll show you how to transform your leftover coleslaw into delicious new dishes. Stay tuned for some mouth-watering recipes. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, first up, we're making coleslaw fritters. These crispy, savory bites are the perfect way to use up a good chunk of your leftover coleslaw. You'll need about 2 cups of coleslaw, half a cup of flour, a couple of eggs to bind everything together, and some spices like salt, pepper, and maybe a dash of paprika for a smoky kick. Mix all the ingredients in a large bowl until you have a thick batter. Heat up some oil in a pan, then drop spoonfuls of the batter onto the hot surface. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it. Crispy, flavorful coleslaw fritters. These are amazing on their own, dipped in some ranch dressing, or even as a side dish to your favorite meal. Trust me, once you try these, you'll be making extra coleslaw just to make more fritters. Next up, we're turning up the heat with some delicious coleslaw quesadillas. This recipe is perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal, and it's vegetarian friendly too. Start by heating up some oil in a pan, then add in your leftover coleslaw. Stir fry for a few minutes until it's heated through. Add in your favorite taco seasoning to give it a burst of flavor. Now, mix in some shredded cheese. Cheddar or Monterey Jack works great. Warm up some tortillas and spread the cheesy coleslaw mixture on one half of each tortilla. Fold the tortillas over and cook them on a griddle or in a pan until they're golden brown and crispy. Serve with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. These quesadillas are cheesy, flavorful, and a fun twist on a classic recipe. Let's turn up the heat with a flavor-packed coleslaw stir-fry. This recipe is all about transforming your leftover coleslaw into a satisfying and protein-packed main course. Start by heating some oil in a wok or large skillet. Add in your protein of choice. Chicken, tofu, or shrimp would all be delicious here. Cook until the protein is browned and cooked through, then add in your leftover coleslaw. Stir fry for a few minutes, letting the flavors meld together. Now, for an extra flavor boost, add a drizzle of soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Toss everything together and cook for a final minute until the sauce is heated through. Serve your coleslaw stir-fry over rice or noodles for a complete and incredibly flavorful meal. Who knew coleslaw could be the secret ingredient to a creamy and comforting soup? That's right, we're making coleslaw soup. Don't knock it till you try it. This soup is seriously delicious. Start by sautéing some onions and garlic in a large pot until they're softened and fragrant. Add in your leftover coleslaw and cook for a few minutes, letting the cabbage soften slightly. Pour in vegetable broth or chicken broth, enough to cover the coleslaw, and bring the soup to a simmer. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a regular blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of nutmeg for extra warmth. This coleslaw soup is incredibly comforting and a great way to use up leftovers in a whole new way. Chapter 5. Coleslaw Pizza. The unexpected pizza topping you need to try. Get ready for the ultimate fusion food, coleslaw pizza. This unique pizza topping might sound strange, but trust me, it's a game changer. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out your pizza dough on a lightly floured surface. Spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough. Now, for the star of the show, sprinkle a generous amount of your leftover coleslaw over the pizza sauce. The key here is to not overdo it. You want just enough to add a pop of flavor and crunch. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the coleslaw and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let the pizza cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Chapter 6. Coleslaw Sandwich. The ultimate crunchy and creamy sandwich. Sometimes the simplest recipes are the best, and this coleslaw sandwich is a perfect example. This sandwich is all about texture and flavor, and it's incredibly easy to put together. Start by spreading a generous amount of mayonnaise on 2 slices of your favorite bread. Next, layer on your leftover coleslaw. You can use as much or as little as you like, depending on how crunchy you like your sandwich. For an extra layer of flavor, add some sliced turkey or ham. Top with the other slice of bread, and your coleslaw sandwich is ready to enjoy. It's crunchy, creamy, and bursting with flavor. This is a sandwich you'll want to make again and again. Chapter 7, Coleslaw Pasta, the easy weeknight dinner that's ready in minutes. Last but not least, we're finishing strong with a super simple and satisfying coleslaw pasta. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need a quick and easy meal. Cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, heat up some butter or olive oil in a large skillet. Add in your leftover coleslaw and cook for a few minutes, until it's heated through and slightly wilted. Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the skillet with the coleslaw. Toss everything together until well combined. For extra creaminess, stir in a spoonful of cream cheese or sour cream. Season with salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you like. Outrow! You won't throw away coleslaw again. And there you have it. 7 incredible recipes that transform leftover coleslaw into culinary masterpieces. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking about giving that coleslaw pizza another go. It's just so unexpectedly good. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my crazy food experiments and delicious recipes. And while you're at it, why not share this video with your friends? Let's spread the coleslaw love. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, keep it creative in the kitchen.